fuel cell. In Hindi it is called Indhan cell. Fuel cell, what that is called? Indhan cell. It is a special type of electrochemical cell in which heat energy change into electrical energy. That means fuel cell change heat energy into electrical energy. In this cell, methane, methanol, dihydrogen, etc. are used as fuel, and dioxygen, nitric acid, potassium nitrate, etc. are used as oxidant. Fuel cell, in fuel cell, simple fuel cell, dihydrogen H2 is used as fuel and dioxygen is used as oxidant. Anode and cathode reaction of fuel cell can be written as given below. In fuel cell, potassium hydroxide is used as electrolyte. KOH, that is electrolyte, decomposed to give K plus plus OH minus. In anode reaction, H2, it is fuel, react with OH minus to give 4H2O and 4 electrons. Cathode reaction, that is O2 plus 2H2O, that give 4OH minus plus 4 electron. Cell reaction, this 4 electron, this 4 OH and 4 OH, then H2, 2H2 plus O2, that give 2H2O. In fuel cell, water is also formed as side product. It is a special type of chemical cell which gives electrical energy as well as water. This cell was first used in Apollo satellite. Water is used by satellite passenger for drinking. Fuel cell is more efficient than lead storage battery, but it is costly and not used in general life. Corrosion. It is a English term. ज्योग्राफी में एक टर्म पढ़ाया जाता है इरोजन. What is meaning of erosion? The process of cutting off upper layer of soil is called erosion. Similarly, the process of cutting off upper layer of metal is called corrosion. What is corrosion? The process of cutting off upper layer of metal. Why that happen? Metal react with reacts with air. What air? Air में O2, CO2, CO2, H2O, SO2, NO, etc. Polluted air contains carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, nitric oxide and other oxide. So metal react with air to form metal oxide, metal hydroxide, metal hydroxide, metal carbonate, metal sulfate, etc. on upper surface. Metal react with air, that means react with O2 or CO2 or H2 or sulfur dioxide or NO, etc. to form metal oxide, metal hydroxide, metal carbonate, metal sulfate, etc. on upper surface. After a time interval, after a time interval, this layer leave metal. This layer leave metal, and due to this metal becomes weaker. It is corrosion. What is corrosion? The formation of metal oxide, metal carbonate, metal sulfate, metal nitrate, etc. on metal surface, and after a time interval this layer leave metal, and this is called corrosion. Example: rusting of iron. Rusting of iron. What is rusting of iron? What is rust? Metal of iron react with air in presence of moisture to form iron oxide on its surface. Iron oxide is called rust. What is rust? So, iron oxide is called rust. The process of formation of rust means iron oxide on iron surface is called rusting. Rusting is a electrochemical process. How it is a electrochemical process? In rusting, some spot on iron. Suppose this is iron sheet. Some spot means this. Some spots on iron acts as anode and oxidation takes place at anode. Some other spots acts as cathode and reduction takes place at cathode. reaction for rusting can be written as given below. Water present in air react with CO2 to give hydrogen carbonate. What if H2O react with CO2 to give H2CO3? It is a weak acid. It is a weak acid. H2CO3 decompose to give 2H plus plus CO3 2 minus. Anode reaction. Anode reaction 2Fe gives 2Fe 2 plus plus 4 electron. Cathode reaction for rusting. Cathode reaction for rusting. O2 plus 4H plus plus 4E plus 4E that gives 2H2O. It is reduction, and complete cell reaction can be written as Fe plus O2 plus 4H plus that give 2Fe 2 plus plus 2H2O. During rusting, water is also formed. From this reaction, it is clear that rusting is a electrochemical process. जब लोहा नमी की उपस्थिति में वायु के संपर्क में आता है तब रस्ट लगता है। अतः रस्ट को रोकने के लिए हमको दो चीज को रोकना होगा, नमी को अलग करना होगा या वायु के संपर्क को काट देना होगा। So there are following important method for prevention of rusting. There are following important method for prevention of rusting. First, galvanization. कोई भी आयरन शीट को जिंक से कोट करना, that is called galvanization. It is important process for prevention of rusting. Second, painting on iron सरफेस, आयरन सरफेस को पेंट कर देना। पेंट करने से वायु का संपर्क खत्म हो जाता है और रस्ट नहीं लगता है। थर्ड, ग्रीसिंग। व्हाट इज थर्ड? ग्रीसिंग मीन्स ऊपर में ग्रीस चढ़ा देना, उससे भी रस्ट एयर का संपर्क कट जाता है और रस्ट नहीं लगता है। तो कई मेथड है, बहुत सिंपल चीज है, आप रोज अपने जीवन में रोज इसका उपयोग करते हैं। ये चैप्टर में अब न्यूमेरिकल है, बाकी सभी चीजें आपको सिंपल वे में, नॉट इन डिटेल। डिटेल करने में थोड़ा दिक्कत होती। डिटेल फेस टू फेस टीचिंग में क्लास में किया जाएगा। हाँ, इम्पोर्टेंट न्यूमेरिकल आपको हम अब बताएंगे। न्यूमेरिकल में 2-3 वीडियोज लगेंगे जो कि एनसीईआरटी के अलावे इम्पोर्टेंट जितने भी वीडियोज होंगे, इम्पोर्टेंट जितने भी न्यूमेरिकल होंगे वो आपको बतलाया जाएगा। This is simple numerical problem. Write cell reaction for this. What is written? Half cell reactions, that is written represented. Cell is represented as this, and we have to write cell reaction. So two reactions, anode reaction and cathode reaction. What happened on anode? Anode zinc change to ZnSO4. That means anode reaction Zn change to Zn2 plus. Why? Because ZnSO4 that can be written as Zn2 plus plus SO4 2 minus. So zinc anode reaction this is, and it is oxidation reaction. Cathode reaction, cathode, what happened on cathode? HCl change to H2. This, that is cathode reaction. So HCl, that means H plus change to H2, that means 2H plus 2 electrons. And cell reaction, so that is okay, Zn plus 2H plus, that give Zn2 plus H2. So this is your solution.